Hello students, welcome back to your favorite channel Learning Point by Sunrise Academy. Now today we are going to learn adverbs. Adverbs को हम डिटेल में देखेंगे क्या होता है और कैसे हम इसे पहचानते हैं. See, adverbs they add some more meaning to the verbs and so we get confused mostly in adverbs and the adjectives. So I'll tell you in detail what are adverbs and how you can recognize these adverbs so that you can find in. First of all, let's see what is an adverb. So an adverb is a word which is used to modify a verb or an adjective or another adverb. So it can modify anything out of these three. Now when they modify verbs, they do so by answering some of the questions or any one of the question. Like suppose if you ask where, when, how and to what extent, these questions will be answered by this, and whatever answer you get, that will be your adverb. For example, if you want to identify, like if I ask she moved forward, if I say like this, if you want to ask that what is the adverb over here, my answer will be forward. Now how do you get to know that forward is the answer or it is an adverb? You will ask a question to it. What will you ask? Where she moved or where did she move? Both are correct. So your answer will be forward. So in this way you get the adverb that is forward. तो ये एक तरीका है पहचानने का. Second, when. When कैसे यूज करते हैं? She left immediately. When did she leave? Again you get the answer immediately. So here again the adverb is immediately. How? She turned slowly. How did she turn? Again you get the answer slowly. Now the last one is to what extent. She barely moved. To what extent did she move? Barely. The answer you get is barely, and so all these answers which you get, that is the adverb. तो यहाँ पे पता चलता है कि adverb में कोई भी sentence हो, वहाँ पे अगर कोई question पूछ रहा है तो answer मिलता है, and whatever answer you get, that is your adverb. Now proceeding on adverbs, they sometimes modify the adjective also. Like example, he is an unusually good wicket keeper. Good ये क्या है? एक एडजेक्टिव है, लेकिन इसे और ज़्यादा मॉडिफाई कर रहा है एक वर्ड है जो अनयूजुअली. तो यहाँ पे एडवर्ब जो है वो एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है बाय एडिंग अनयूजुअली वर्ड. Adverbs also modify other adverbs, like for example, Sam is almost always hungry. Here you have one adverb that is almost and the other adverb is always. So almost is the adverb which is modifying the other adverb always in the sentence. Now for example, if I give you a second example, like they had met long before. Long is also an adverb which is modifying other adverb that is before. Now there are also noun forms, verb forms. In the same way we have forms for adverb also. Now many adverbs, they especially those of manner one, they are made by adding the suffix ly and an adjective also. Like foolish, we can write it foolishly. Just we have to add an ly to it, it will become the adverb form. Quick, quickly, slow, slowly. Now these adjectives itself they end in ly. Suppose if the adjective they end in the ly in the last, then it is not possible usually to add another ly, and such words fall into two categories, that are, the first category belongs to those which are used as both adjectives and adverbs without any change. For example, if you say daily, early, hourly, only, weekly and yearly and so on, we can proceed on. For example, if we use in this examples in your sentences, how will you use? This is a daily newspaper. Daily is used as both adjective and adverb in both the cases. Second example, see, she came by an early train. Third example, there is an hourly service of ferry boats. Now the second category is those which can be used as adjectives only. मतलब ये describing वाले adjectives है. They are not adverbs but instead they are describing words. Adjectives के जैसे use होते हैं ये adverbs. Like example, friendly, likely, lonely, lovely, manly, and etc. So on, you can proceed. Example in the sentences if I give, I will say he is a very friendly person. फ्रेंडली ये आपको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि वो पर्सन कैसा है. वेदर इट इज एडवर्ब, स्टिल इट इज यूज्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव ओवर हियर इन द सेंटेंस. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ अ लवली कॉटेज. यहाँ पे ये लवली वर्ड एडवर्ब है बट फिर भी ये एज एन एडजेक्टिव यूज हुआ है सेंटेंस में बिकॉज ये कॉटेज को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कैसा है, इट इज़ लवली. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा आज का एक छोटा सा वीडियो, छोटा सा एपिसोड जिसको हमने बनाया था स्पेशली एडवर्ब्स के लिए. आई होप कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अगर लाइक करिए, और उसके बाद में अगर पसंद आता है तो कमेंट भी कीजिए. अगर कोई वीडियो लगता है स्पेसिफिकली इंग्लिश के लिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं, मैं उसके ऊपर वीडियो पहले बना दूंगी. Rest, you can keep on watching this and do watch this series so that you can learn also for betterment. Thank you. Stay home, keep learning. Bye bye.